Yo guys, Josh123 here for another video, and it's 1 o'clock in the morning and I can't be loud, but I'm doing the intro anyway because I don't want to forget. And basically, yeah, we are finishing off where we left off. Basically, me, Ollie, Alex, Dan and Bradley all went to Butlins, Skegness for about 3-4 days, and we managed to finish the whole trip in Butlins, but then we were going to move on to going into the town centre of Skegness and doing random activities. But because I had COVID, which I don't want to talk about anymore, we had to go home and we missed out on the last couple of days, but not anymore. We're going back to finish those 2 days, but it won't be with Ollie this time. Unfortunately, he's a busy guy, he's got a lot of work to do and stuff. So yeah, we were a bit upset, but you know, it's fair enough, nothing he can do about it. So that's fine, he'll come away with us again in the future. But yeah, for this time, it's me, Alex, Dan and Bradley, and we're still going to have fun anyway. And yeah, we're going to Skegness, but obviously not Butlins this time, just Skegness. And yeah, we've got things like the beach, bowling, golf, going on the pier, we've got a theme park, we've got go-karting, we've got a mini sort of zoo to go to. There's lots of things we're doing in only about 2 days, but we're going to make sure we fit it all in, and it's going to be amazing. And I'm vlogging it, taking you guys with me. So yeah, let's get into it. We're on our way. Hey! Okay guys, we are here. Yes, it's quite dodgy, it's not like, you know, the nicest thing in the world, but it is still, it's good for us. It's good for us because we only want a cheap stay. We're only here for like 2 nights, so it's just good for us to finish off our holiday. And yeah, this is basically ours. It's a long thing like that, it's perfect for us. And yeah, you can stand here, it's got some chairs there, which is quite nice. And yeah, there's actually 2 keys and 2 doors, which is quite handy. This one's already open, so let's just do the tour. Let's go in right now. Lovely, open planned. It's not the most pleasant, but it will do. And it's, yeah, there's nice like couches, like 2 of them there, somewhere to eat, stools, little TV, probably won't use it, mirror, all that sort of stuff. Not bad. Lots of decent kitchen area, like, you know, good enough for us. Lots of stuff to store, probably just crisps and drinks or whatever we have, to be honest. Microwave and all that. And what I love about these is that it's so like small and compact, but it fits in so many rooms. So you've got the toilet, the other door there, me, and then look how compact and tight it is. Look, you've got 2 beds there, bunk beds there, and a lovely double bed in here. So guys, we're all settled, we're loading all our luggage in now, and I've showed you the tour, obviously, of where we're staying. But yeah, the plan is basically Bradley has to go to do a job somewhere, so he's going to go for a bit, but it's going to be me, Alex and Dan. It's going to be more chilled today. We're going to go and do go-karting. We're going to do go-karting, have lunch, just have a look around the Skegness town, and have dinner, watch the football as well, Liverpool against Chelsea, for Alex, obviously the Chelsea fan. And then tomorrow we're going to do Seal Sanctuary and loads of fun stuff like that. There's also going to be a theme park, and it's just going to be a lot of fun, basically. We're driving to Skegness now. We're here now, Skegness. So much sweets and donuts, amusements, the pier, Hey! There's a clock tower, and...
Our parking structure is down there, John. Parking up further park. How for pie, look. Where are we going? There.
Time to go go-karting over there. I love this place, there's so many open plan activities, it's sick. So we had lunch, and Bradley's gone now. We're just chilling, we're going to have a look around and see what there is. But oh my god, $2.50 for 6 of these donuts. Oh my god, they are so tasty. I've not had anything like this in my life. Oh my god. We're in the fairgrounds, which is very near to the pier. Watching Liverpool against Chelsea in the pub. You alright, Alex?
Yeah.
What's the score going to be?
2-1 Chelsea.
Yeah, we're all sort of thinking along the same lines. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. Going on the pier now. This machine, I needed to beat 47 to get the 500 ticket jackpot, and it lagged on 46 and it paused for about 2 minutes, but it resumed and it didn't fuck it up, so I got the jackpot, so I don't need to complain. Jackpot again, it's like the 8th time I've ever done this in my life. I love this game. 500 tickets plus the 62. Oh, come on. I should do this again later. Come on, keep it coming. Bowling time. As always, you've always got to do it. Couches as well, come on. You alright there? Oh. Spare. Oh shit. Hi. Wow.
I'm changed right now. I hate pilot people.
Whoa! Oh my god! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, mate!
Whoa! Look at that flame show. I mean, there's not much, but mate, I'd fucking shit myself for that. What? We've just woken up, got sort of enough sleep, and yeah, we're all here. And yeah, we're going to do a lot of things today, which you'll see later. But we're going for breakfast now. We're in good old little cafe in Skegness from, what was it, 1945?
Yeah, 1945.
We're here. Oh,
Big
got
breakfast with
food's
beans.
all here. Hey.
Who ordered that?
Big
Yours,
breakfast.
like yours?
We're on the way to Fantasy Island. Hey. Daniel obviously has to hurt Bradley because he doesn't like the roller coasters, unfortunately. But at least Alex does. I'm not by myself. So yeah, Fantasy Island should be cool. I'll try and show as much footage as I can. Butlins. Where we came a month ago. Look at that.
Look, the fair Josh.
Look at that.
We went to
In 1,000
There's the
feet,
swimming.
turn right,
Bus wankers!
feet, turn left.
Fantasy Island.
This is the bandwagon.
Fantasy Island, look at that, we're going there now. We're here. Look what Bradley's found. Oh my god. Just did that massive yellow one over there. Like Odyssey. Like, that's better than all the roller coasters I've ever done at Fort Park. That was insane. And he actually said I can GoPro, but I didn't. So I might go on it again later and GoPro it. Because oh my god, I gotta capture that. That was an insane ride. You can actually GoPro, what the hell? What are you doing?
Oh, it's like a school bus!
You're dipping your lolly in Daniel's shitting himself. We are at the seal sanctuary, and we're not even inside there. It looks quite decent, to be fair. Look at them, we've got seals. Hey. Look at them over there, there's loads of them. Look at that, like 3 of them or something. Or 4. Look at that massive snake. Oh. Look at that, turtles. Good old turtles. Alligators or crocodiles, whatever they are. Whoa. Ollie's got to be the dragon called Spartacus. This is obviously not him, but could be a long lost brother, you never know.
Yeah.
Or sister, or mother.
Father.
Look at
Brother-in-law.
that.
Oh, scorpion. Scorpion. Oh, hello, mate. Oh, look.
Baby seal. Are you right there?
Yeah, you're right.
Baby seal. Look at them. Look at these. Look at their eyes.
Hello, sir. Hello. I'll give you half the payoff so everyone talk to them how's life here.
No.
No.
No. Hello. Oh, here we go. Hello. Little meerkats. They're so cute, aren't they? Hello. So this is the hospital, but I don't think they're badly hurt. It's when the seals first come in. So there's not one there, there's one there, one there. Oh, that's cute. Is there, oh, there's one there as well. And there. And there. Oh, that one looks cute. It's looking at us. Penguins. Everyone loves penguins, right? Hello. So this is obviously a seal sanctuary, so it's mainly for the seals, but there's other animals as well. So this is not like an aquarium, it's not a zoo or anything. I've gathered that, because I didn't know anything about this, but I'm glad we came here. Only £8 as well, bargain. But basically, it's mainly only the seals. They're sort of ill. They're like rescued. They're rescued from the beach just over there, and they're brought here for a little bit. They stay here for a few months or whatever. Sometimes some of them stay here for a long time, but most of them are just set back free to the beach. They're put back into the beach. So it's quite a nice thing they do. And there's obviously other animals here as well, which is it's just bonus. It makes it even better. So it's quite interesting with the seals, isn't it?
Hello. Hello.
Look at these lovely goats. That's a massive one there.
Oh wow, they've got those big animals with the big necks.
Oh, like alpacas, I think. Is that what they are?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it says it there. They're going to spit at you, Bradley. Sort of. No, spit.
Is that what they do?
Yeah.
That's odd.
Look at this big one. It's like a snake.
Oh, eel.
Yeah, eel.
Even little birds.
Butterfly house, but there's birds as well. They're very cute. You think it's fruit?
Can fit it.
I don't know what you think, guys, but it's really like weird, like driving at night. It's actually quite scary and eerie because of all like we've seen a deer and 4 cats and dead animals in the past as well. It is scary, isn't it? Like, I don't know. I'm not a fan of dark. I think that's a lot of people are the same. But
So if we switch the light
weird,
off
isn't
now,
it? Got the last meal. Doing it ourselves. KFC brought home. Very nice. Very stressful drive for Bradley. Happy to be home now. Just eating and then eat and then sleep and just Oh mate.
oh, I think they're
Alright.
are they in there? Yeah.
We're just leaving now. Not the best thing in the world, but it did us good. It was nice in the end for us. Now we're just finishing cleaning up. Okay, I'm back now. Sorry it's dark, but yeah, obviously you saw us leave the accommodation. Didn't feel much more because I was tired and stressed, but yeah, I'm home now and that's good. This holiday wasn't actually meant to be a theme because obviously this was part of the butlins holiday, but because of COVID and stuff, I obviously had to just stop. So we weren't even supposed to go here. It was not going to happen, but we went there anyway and we enjoyed ourselves. It's not going to be any more than a 7 out of 10 because, you know, we couldn't fit in too much and it wasn't amazing, but it was a very good holiday still. I enjoyed myself and the other boys did as well. And Bradley, Daniel, Alex, very good mates of mine. It was a laugh, and we'll definitely do something again in the future, next year or something like Blackpool or anything like that. So yeah, it should be cool. It's a shame that Ollie couldn't come, but you know, hoping that, you know, Blackpool or something next year. Hopefully he'll join us for that one. But work is work, isn't it? So it is what it is. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new.